Going in here in the phone booth, shutting it out. They can't see me, but I can see them. Look at all these losers, dude. They can't even hear. I think it's soundproof. I hope it's soundproof. All right, so we got a Retrocon payphone. You haven't seen these since '89. Let's call somebody right now. Let's go 85. No, hang it up. Let's go 856 697 1862. Let's see who we got now.
Hello, who is it?
Yo, Ma! You making the gnocchis?
What? What? Uh-huh.
You making the gnocchis?
Huh? Speak louder and more clear, huh?
You making the gnocchis?
You want gnocchi? That's what you want, Tom?
I got a hankering and a craving for gnocchis.
Well, I can't deny your craving. I'll make it the gnocchis, and
By the time I get home, I want gnocchis.
okay, you get the gnocchi as soon as you come home. Cousin Al's coming too, though.
All right. Goodbye.
Now one more thing, Tom, before you go, don't hang up.
Yeah, it's my mom calling her now. Oop. All right. How about that?